Ngayon ko nga lang na-realize, kailangan ko pa pala mag-stream, pre.
And I'm gonna spend your money on Robux.
Ayun, si Ato nga nanalo.
Why? Oh, wait, bro. Friend.
Gutom na. Okay. Come. Oh yan, madali lang yan, pre. Hindi. Ano pa lang ngayon, pre? Wednesday.
Powers Typhoon.
50 NLs, Jewel. Okay.
And then,
50 NLs, Jewel sa
Final would be Darkness.
lahat.
This is gonna be fun, bro.
Say that you remember. Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search. Dalawa? Dalawa yun.
Probably they want
Dalawa
to play
or
a
ka-clone.
new
Say
game.
ka plus set. Ayan, pre.
Yo, that's crazy. He made this for like.
Kasi kung tama hula mo, ibibigay ko din sa'yo yung premyo. Kung tama. 50 NLs, Jewel. Notify ulit. So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad, Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako. Ano, pre? Nasa OBB, nasa OBB gift box OPB. Oh, hindi ko maalala eh. Pupurgacha, no? Nakita ko yung streamer egg, pre. Ang ganda ng mga bagong laman ng streamer egg din. Ayun, so kung gusto nyong kung gusto nyong
This is
auto lista, auto claim, you know, Boss JC Artilero.
Bro, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta ano. Pagkatapos nito siguro Guess the Monster na lang tayo. Medium ha, medium. Medium size, medium size. Divine Pride ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Yun, siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin Guess the Monster. 2 rounds NLs Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may ng pangalan sa Divine Pride. Hanapin nyo by yung mga clue na binibigay natin, mas madaling mahanap. So, demi-human siya kasi mukha nga siyang Guild Castles, Aruna Felts, tapos kahit saan doon piliin mo, tapos tele ka na. Medyo nalakihan ko na yung ano.
Yo? Yeah.
Yan ang clue natin. Siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? Notify lang yung mga pre. Balik stream na ulit ako. Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy. You make me teenage dream. Wala pre, malabo. Sa mga bagong dating na gusto sumali, nasa Frontera Field 8 ako pre. Tele-tele lang kayo. Bahala kayo dyan. Hanggang sa maubos to. Pag wala talaga, edi 12 lang, 13 lang ang winners. Or more streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi, paano pa nakuha ang shadow armor doon? Shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes, di ba? Notify lang kayo, notify.
Ano ba yan? My favorite food? Wait.
Ayan, si Shiori. Welcome to the stream, pre. October yung live event. So, bali may 3 months na... Ayun, pasok. Stop na, pre.
And I love unicorns. Okay. And I love Wait, I have a friend that is called that's name is Amanda in my ballet class. I'm in a different category. Like it's different.
4 seconds. Sa mga sa ano? Okay naman, pwede naman dito sumagot, pre, kaso mali naman rin yung sagot mo eh. Saan ba nakikita yung scoring ng ano, pre? Agit Lords Challenge, Sea God's Anger, Elite Siege Whites and Blue Potion Exchange availability in Utility Quest NPC. Pagkatapos nito, LC na yung premyo. Okay. So ano else? Jewel pa to. Fly LGP, pre. Pagkatapos nitong ano, round na to ng LGP Fly, ano, pangalan yun, Kipi. Napin ko na lang.
Wait, who's Leah?
Persona. Notify. Paulo Ebora. Thank you. Notify IG. Tayo pala umabot ng repost. Yan, sige. Ipre. Alisin na natin to si Maiden. Siguro sufficient naman na yung laki ng monster. So element na lang siguro ang stop next round. Medyo madali naman, sige. Medyo madaling map para mabilis. Come on, come on, come on. Ilang S to? 2, 4, 6. Si V. Kaya lang V. Dream anymore. No.
I'm gonna play Maple Hospital. Can we play Maple Hospital? No? I mean my
Weapon Shadow Shield. Goods yun. Wala pa rin, di ko alam sa gift box eh. Di naman ako naglalaro kasi masyado na. Wala. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Start.
joke lang. Okay, I won't give it back. Mean like, may accepted.
Kamusta ano natin, Adjit Lords? Si Marig na kasama sa new. Di ko nga rin alam kung paano setup ng pre. Hoy si Merchie, welcome to the stream Merchie. Solid naman yung costume no. Idol. Malayo pa.
Recently, Vietnam was on viral of Jenny smoking on one of the staff member. It seems Jenny's smoking scandal may have legal consequences. A news outlet reported that a fan had asked for
Ng lumang streamer egg sa bago. Yun nga rin na inaisip ko eh. Pero sobrang ang ano kasi, madami na ring stream. Ang
And where people could...
Darkness Helm, Vajra. Ano yun? The overall, the butterflies. Pa-claim mga par.
So it means to remember those times that I love. Questions. Ayo? Why not? Why are you banned? What happened? Probably you lost your account or you need to update.
Monster number 20888, level 220, poison 4, insect large. Guys, notify lang kayo. Raffle tayo mamaya.
No. I don't want to.
Hili ka na ibaro. Nanalo ba si Pen? Hindi naman nanalo si Pen eh.
I have to.
Chi. Merchie. $15 winners to, 15 winners.
I'm murderer, yes.
Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa, punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Truth or dare? Say yes.
Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I fell.
Mob nung robot nung ayun, nahulaan niya ano. E_EA2S. Tapos, ano tayo, raffle tayo ng subs sa mga subscribe.
Yeah. That was good. You got it from the earth last time.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Mamimigay ako ng 50 Anels Jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice. Nice. Ito.
Ina, did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your seat and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero ano, wait lang ah. Magdo-double. Subscriber raffle tsaka top fan raffle.
Something in your
Tapos palaro tayo, mini games. Anels Jewel, tos LC.
It's gonna be. No, sabi mo. Look at there.
Kayo, lahat ng nandito pa sa stream mga pre.
You made this for 100 years, bro.
Lahat ng nanonood pa.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Boss Jamel.
That's why I like.
Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo.
Then you're gonna.
Best
But
friend
they
gear
just played
3.
it. But they were to.
Daming bago, no?
Other on the other.
Ano tayo?
Looking sharp. Looking sharp.
Streamer egg. Ano? Subscriber pala muna.
Oh, you know that big girl.
Saan na yung mga ano ko, screenshot din. Tapos,
Oh. O paano yan?
ano ba? Yung LC. Tapos, yung mga pala.
You don't know. Oh, it's a super button. It's actually
G. Ano agad to pre? Family nung Explorer robot. Kailangan nyo lang makuha yung specific na pangalan. Ano yung Orca clothes?
$15. Bro, I just saw a server that is called Chase's Murder Mystery.
Kayo.
Oh, really? Wait, let's put
Pito na to, pito. Pag tunog ng timer, start na natin ha.
Kwek-kwek ko. How do you know the password?
Yun. Grabe naman si si Jojo. Napakaswerte. 2 weeks.
I'm gonna make you headless.
Punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others join in accusing her of thinking she's above the law. Or they
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit
actions.
Si Namrepus siya si Penny ang next. 11 seconds para sa kanila. On the living room pa.
Eh, umingay ito. Dalawa to eh.
You can open it. It's dark outside na.
Wait lang. Airplane.
Tapos raraffle kayo sa subscribers. VIP din yan.
I miss you so much, Aga. Oh my gosh, I saw a beautiful carousel.
Ayan, dito ako sa pre. Sa Arunafeld Castle.
No, one thing. One here. Gonna give you a party.
Aro Guild. Ay, hindi. Mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to print. I'm just... Okay, this is gonna be fun. Right? Yellow. Bro, we're switching accounts. That's crazy.
Yan. Salamat sa share, Mini. Sa mga gustong sumali sa Guess the Monster, punta tayo dito sa taas ng front. October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng ito na, round 1 mga pre. Haba naman kasi ang pangalan mo pa. Next round. Ayun o, si boss.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess.
Oh yeah. See?
Diba? Just I need to put it back on my personal Facebook.
Daddy, thank
Yun,
you.
si Aishi. Guys, 2 cells. Pero kung sa 100cc pre, makakuha mo yung all-stat na costume. Solve na yun.
Can you join me? This is a fun game.
Sali na kayo, tele-LGP pre. Ayan.
What?
So, 3 na lang. Si Aishi, si Tagum, siya si Triggerman. Water. Water element. Medium size, water element pre. Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg. So, hopefully, makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And, medium.
Wait, I don't have because my phone is so bad.
May 3 months
And
na.
I only have we only have one power bank.
Medium. Next clue.
You're evil too. Wait a minute.
Lalistahan ko.
my car. Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of one.
Wait lang.
Like, why you wanna play with like?
Baka meron kayo mga megaphone box dyan mga pre. Baka pwede nyo na isalya sa akin yung megaphone box nyo. 9 months. 9 months bago mag third job. Pwede, wow. Tsaka si... Ano na to?
Get on your car here. Then drive it. Wait, I will use it. Are you driving a lot? It's just explaining. Oh, I'm getting scared. You found someone there in the thing? I saw someone there.
Level 82 pre.
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Why? Because she was a little horse.
Ayun, nakuha. Kailangan nyo lang tumele dito sa square. Makasaktuan nyo yung tele nyo sa square para mananalo kayo ng Anael's Jewel 100 pieces. Ika.
What is it's coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look,
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering
marbles. May 45 seconds sila para mag-claim. Panalo. Yan. 20 entries na tayo ngayon sa itlog. Palaro tayo, palaro. Oh, pre. Tayo, di ko din alam eh. Ang dami na rin kasi talagang may shadow armor, so parang medyo... Okay, wala.
Is it us?
Namrepus, tsaka si Fenny.
I'm curious.
Wala kayo, ang ganda pa naman ng bagong streamer egg. Kumusta, Boss Ingoy?
Hello. You can?
Very, very close na, pre. As in, talagang...
That's a spam job. Bro, I'm spamming.
Out of the city, pre. Since yung lumang streamer egg nandun sa bagong streamer egg, tapos chance siya makuha, mas okay sana, lahat ng shadow gears nandun na sa streamer egg na luma. Mid.
Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared.
Yun. Streamer eggs tayo after ito. Dreamworks. May 45 seconds ka para ma-claim ang inyong premium.
I lost scared. Okay. No. Ayan.
Hintay lang tayo mga maglalaro.
Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me. So that I can cut my hair just...
I always wanted this and it's not a... Guys, next round, Frontera Field. Solid talaga ng lakas araw. Taga na, di ko alam kung sarcasm yan, pre. Sa Facebook. Palag naman yan. Sandro San Pedro. Thank you for following, bro. Maraming salamat. Apani. Halo si Jen niya ang pangalan ng mom. Hi. Pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan. 3 buwan. September to November. Tapos December yung war. Hanggang Feb. May specific na name. Parang ano to, sa mga nanguhula, ano to, parang specific name mob. Nandun siya sa Anael's Jewel.
How?
Ano lang, ano pa gagawin natin? Anael's Jewel minigame 5 rounds.